Hey guys, it's your girl Estä, aka Bunny, aka Bun Bun, aka Buns, aka Bun, and I am back with another video. If you are a returning subscriber, what's up? Hey, how you doing, boo? Okay, so I have written down the questions that I mostly get asked, and I'm going to go ahead and answer them for you. I don't want anybody to feel offended in any kind of way of the answers that I'm going to give you, because a lot of people be in their feelings sometimes. I'm not gonna lie to you, a lot of people do, but I'm a very hilarious person, so I don't really take these things by heart when they do ask me these questions. So yeah, so we might as well get started with this video, huh? Yeah, all right, bet, cool, okay. One of them are they sister locks? I usually get this all the time, especially like if I'm in the store or something like that. They're like, oh my God, I love your sister locks. Are they sister locks? Oh my God, I love your hair. Oh my God, you're a sister lock sister, just like me. No, these are actually DIY Microlocs. I'm sorry to burst your bubble, but no. I correct them. I always correct them. Whenever they're like, oh yeah, you have sister locks, I'm like, no, these are actually Microlocs. And they're like, what's the difference? And I'm not gonna go into that in this video because I don't want to trigger anybody, and that will be another video for another time. Another very frequently asked question is, what's my hair type and if I am mixed? My hair type is 4A, 4B, and 4C. And if I'm mixed, yes, I'm mixed. I'm mixed with black, and some more black. One question that a lot of them always ask, almost majority everybody, anytime anybody sees my hair, can I touch your hair? Can I touch your hair? Oh my God, your hair looks so soft. Can I touch it? And my answer is always, I don't even know if I should let you touch it, but I do let them touch my hair. But it's like, it's just hair. I don't know. To me, I feel like it's just hair. But yeah, I let them touch my hair. It's not a big deal. Yes, I know they're like, oh yeah, people are not supposed to touch your hair because your hair is full of energy and you don't want their energy intertwined with your energy. And I am basically talking a lot of rat's ass right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and answer the next question. How many locks do I have? I have about 631 or 2. I had lost about 3 locks, meaning I combined, I think, about 2 or 3. And then I did lose 1 in the front. That's another story to tell, but yeah, about 631 or 632. I used to have 635, so I'm still over the 600 bracket and some change, but 630-ish. How long did it take you to do your hair? I have a video down below of how long it took me to install my Microlocs. You guys can check that out down below. It took a long time. Listen, it's worth it. It's worth it when it's worth it. If you're trying to save money, baby. Why did I cut my traditional locks? I was going through some things at that time, and I believe that I needed a change, and that's one of the reasons why I cut my traditional locks off. And I'll get into that in a different video. If you guys are interested in why I cut my traditional locks, you could go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It lets me know that you really want to hear about this story. I mean, it is a story, but it's not a story, but it got some tea in it. Are you gonna dye your hair? I want to, but I'm also scared. I used to rock a skunk look where I had like this part right here, blonde. I'll show you some pictures with my traditional locks. If you can see it, it's all over here. I'm gonna put it right here for you. Right here. So I had like a skunk look, and I think I want to go back to it. And I also want to dye my natural hair black with the skunk look, because I have grays. I'm pretty sure y'all see my hair. Y'all like, what is that? Is that like strings in her hair? Nah, sis. That's gray hair. It comes with the territory. I don't know. A lot of people say, oh yeah, you know, it's every strand is worth millions. I ain't seen not 1 million yet, and I have like a buttload of grays. How long do I want my hair to be? To be honest, I'm not really into length like that because my hair grows fast regardless. So I feel like if my hair is healthy, it's better for me. So with the length, I'll just say that about like shoulder length is good for me. I don't think I want to sit on my hair anytime soon. I do have one long lock, but I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna let it. I'm not gonna let that thing go all the way down to the ankles of my feet now. But I'm gonna cut it eventually. I'm gonna cut it to match the length of my hair eventually. So yeah, I'm more of a healthy hair person versus length, because length always comes with healthy hair. So yeah. How long are my reties? My reties are about 9.5, 10 hours. Yup. And that takes about like 3 days because I split it into sections. So yeah, takes a long time if you have 600 plus locks, and especially if you're doing it yourself. So yeah. Why do I have a long lock? This is from my first set of traditional locks, and 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So this is 5 years of growth from that one lock, and I didn't cut it. I cut my locks, well, I cut my locks within 2 years of it. So I have the demarcation. So this was how long my hair is when I had cut it. So my hair was pretty long. This is how long my hair was. And then this is my hair now after. So I don't know, I kept it because it's memories. I wanted to see how long it'll be, you know? I'm different. I'm kind of weird. Does the long lock get caught or stuck on anything? Yes, it does, actually. It really does. Sometimes when I don't sleep with anything, like a bonnet or anything, it does get stuck underneath the pillow. Sometimes it gets stuck underneath my armpit. It gets stuck when I put like the seatbelt part on. Yeah, it gets stuck. I'm used to it now, but yeah, it does get stuck. Yeah. I don't know why somebody would ask me this question, but they did. And it's not only once. I've been asked this so many times. They're like, why did I choose to get them this small? That's another story to tell, but before I had these Microlocs, I actually had braid locks. And if you want me to tell you the story about my braid locks, you gotta give this video a thumbs up. I did have braid locks. I have pictures and everything, and if you are really interested, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I will record it for you. Thanks so much for staying to the end of this video. I appreciate you so much. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also leave a few comments down below of any questions that you want to ask me, and I can probably do a part 2. Also, I appreciate all the new subscribers. I am basically giving you a virtual hug. You mean so much to me, and I am doing a giveaway. You have to be a subscriber in order for you to be part of this giveaway. I will leave the link to the video down in the description box. Again, I appreciate you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Remember, I can do a story time on these braid locks, y'all. It was a different type of stage for me. I don't think I would have, I don't know if I could have pulled it off. Anyways, I will see you guys on the flip side. Bye.